Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this cute little look using the gingerbread palette by Too Faced. I think it's the extra spicy palette. I got it for Christmas. I need to put it to use. Anyway, this was really quick, simple. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I know it's really simple and it's quick. I styled it off with a pair of, these are Mean Girl lashes. I'll link them down below in the description. This is the style of the plastics. They're really cute. I feel like they go with any eyeshadow. Even just going out without eyeshadow, they're perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you guys are notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you next time.